Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Did a quick little 4-speaker setup on this beautiful mint condition Victory cross country. We went with Cicada CH in the fairing, Cicada BDA 600 amplifier, HKI Mini DSP, Ground Zero Yellow Basket Neos for the tour pack, kept the factory radio, all NVS Audio oxygen-free copper wiring and RCAs. Quick little setup. Customer was super happy. Bike sounds really good with those 6s in the tour pack. Has a nice amount of mid bass. It plays nice and loud. He can hear it on the highway. It's got a nice balanced sound, and we didn't have to chop the bike up. I like the way this bike came out.
Como te pienso, el tipo sin darte amonta su peso y somos arte. Dejamos el lienzo, puesto pa' acabarnos desde el comienzo. Unos piratas y todo un tesoro. Ya no estoy en plata contigo, pero en el oro. Estamos por otro. Calle la bebé, no sé cómo lo hace, pero sabe que yo estoy pa' ella, que le llevo el casero.